Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find and copy your SUI deposit address on your SUI wallet. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to actually go over to your SUI wallet. If you don't have the SUI wallet, then you have to download and install it. And if you don't know how to do that, I already have a dedicated video that will show you how you can download and install the app in the description of this video. Just go over to the description, tap on it, then be able to see how to download and install the SUI wallet. Then after that, once you've downloaded this, then you tap on it to open it. So let me open the SUI wallet right away. You can see now the SUI wallet is opening up. And right now the SUI wallet has opened up. So the first step you have to take now in order to copy your SUI deposit address on your SUI wallet is to tap on where you can see the SUI logo. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. You can see it at the top. Let me tap on it. So right there at the top is your SUI deposit address. You can see it right there being encircled. So now for you to be able to copy your SUI deposit address, what you simply have to do is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side just next to the wallet address. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see down there, copy it successfully. So now I've been able now to show you how you can be able to copy your SUI deposit address on your SUI wallet. See you in the next upload.